Geofencing is a location-based technology that uses GPS, RFID, Wi-Fi, or cellular data to create virtual boundaries around a geographic area. When integrated with drones, geofencing acts as a powerful tool to regulate their movements, ensuring safety, compliance, and efficient operation. Let us explore geofencing in the context of drones, its applications, technical aspects, benefits, challenges, and future prospects. Geofencing prevents drones from entering restricted or hazardous areas, ensuring safe operation and legal compliance. It ensures drones follow specific routes and stay within delivery zones, optimizing delivery efficiency and reducing the risk of accidents. Geofencing allows drones to operate only in designated areas, on construction sites or industrial zones, minimizing interference with other operations. It helps safeguard sensitive areas such as government facilities, prisons, and airports from unauthorized drone activity. For recreational users, geofencing reduces the likelihood of breaching restricted zones and incurring regulatory penalties. Delivery services use geofencing to manage flight paths, ensuring packages are delivered safely while avoiding high-risk zones. Geofencing systems use digital maps to define restricted zones such as airports and military bases, as well as permissible areas where drones are allowed to fly. These maps are updated by drone manufacturers or regulatory bodies to reflect current no-fly zones. The geofencing data is embedded in the drone's firmware or accessed via connected applications. GPS and onboard sensors continuously track the drone's location relative to the geofenced area. When the drone approaches a geofence boundary, it receives a command to take pre-configured actions such as hovering, returning to the starting point, adjusting its trajectory, or landing. These actions are programmed by drone manufacturers or customized by operators using software platforms. Advanced systems may allow operators to override restrictions within permissible legal frameworks. If you're new to the channel, please check out my videos and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thank you for your support. To implement geofencing, the first step is to choose models that support geofencing capabilities and ensuring their firmware is updated with accurate geofencing data. Reliable software platforms such as DJI's GEO system provide operators with tools to define virtual zones and prevent unintentional boundary breaches. These boundaries can be customized by operators based on mission-specific needs. Operators must stay informed about updates to geofencing maps and regulations to avoid operational disruptions. Training and awareness are also critical, as operators need to understand geofencing's limitations and best practices to maximize its effectiveness. Before purchasing drones with geofencing capabilities, buyers should ensure clarity on several aspects. Verify that the drone's manufacturer provides regular geofencing updates to reflect changes in regulations and no-fly zones. Assess whether the geofencing settings can be tailored to specific operational needs using accessible software tools. Confirm that the drone complies with local and international aviation laws to avoid legal complications. Ensure operators are adequately trained to understand geofencing functionalities and limitations. Determine whether the drone's geofencing capabilities align with the intended applications, such as industrial inspections, delivery services, or recreational use. Despite its advantages, geofencing in drones comes with challenges. The accuracy of geofencing depends heavily on GPS signals, which can be disrupted by environmental factors. Operators may over-rely on geofencing, neglecting other safety protocols, which can result in accidents. Geofencing systems require regular updates to account for changes in no-fly zones or regulations, and outdated data could cause non-compliance. Technical issues such as software glitches or hardware malfunctions also pose risks. Additionally, ethical concerns arise when geofencing is used to restrict access to areas unfairly or monopolize certain regions. AI can enhance geofencing by enabling drones to consider real-time factors like weather, altitude, and battery levels alongside location. For example, a drone approaching a restricted area during adverse weather can autonomously reroute while ensuring sufficient battery for safe operation. Improved 5G connectivity will support faster updates and precise geofencing, making it vital for industries such as logistics, emergency response, and urban planning. Thank you for watching this video. I will catch up with you in another exciting video soon. Until then, goodbye and take care.